the other beach over there. So as you can see, now we can play all these videos together, and then we can see like a small feather. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a split screen effect on CapCut PC. Now, to be able to create a split screen effect on CapCut PC is fairly simple, but you will have to remember that there is an importance that you have to put when it comes to the layering, which means like which one of the videos is on top and which one is on the bottom, because it will really matter later on. So I have here 3 stock clips that I have prepared that I have downloaded from over here at pexels.com. So they have a lot of stock photos and clips here, or videos that are for free. So you can just check them out because it's for free, but you can also donate to the users that do upload here. So really big thanks to them. So I'm going to be using some of their clips, and of course, just going to drag it into the timeline over here. And we need to make sure that each of these videos, or I mean all of them, have the same duration, because like later on, if they don't have, then they would like you know, there would just be like a dark screen while the rest, like 1 or like 2 videos, are still playing. So that wouldn't be good. So I have one of these videos here which does not have the same resolution as the others, so I'm just gonna drag that and enlarge it a bit just so that it matches the others. So what you can also do to make it easier for you is to go over to click that and then go over to blend. It's usually like this. Go to blend and then just lower the opacity so that you can see the other videos below it, so like that. And now what we need to do is to go here to the topmost clip and go to mask and then click on horizontal. You may have to download it first before you can access it, but now I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna click on it, and as you can see, it has now split the clip in like half. So I can also like use this and even to adjust the blur, or like the feather, and use this to rotate the split. So I can do that, and I can even hold the line so that I can move it around. So I'm just gonna move it around, and I will also add another horizontal mask over to the second clip down there so that it will show the other clip below it, which is the ocean. So I'm also gonna adjust the feather to make it look like this. So as you can see, on the left we have a video of the beach. On the middle we have a video of the person with the horse, and then there's also the beach over here. So let's just turn this back to 100 so that you will be able to see it clearly. We have the mask here, but it should actually be here. So now this is what I've been talking about. There is a mistake with the arrangement. So in order for what do you call this, the beach to be seen, we need to move it up so that, as you can see, now there's going to be black. So we should okay, sorry, because we were past the video. And as you can see, now that it's there, it's now adjusted properly to show this split screen between the beach, the horse, and then the other beach over there. So as you can see, now we can play all these videos together, and then we can see like a small feather in between them, but you can always adjust that and turn it back to like 0 to make it like look solid. Ta-da! And it's that simple. That is how you can create a split screen effect on CapCut. You just need 2 or 3 clips and you're good to go with the masking effect. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.